Alright, guys, we are back. We are back, and I'm ready. I'm ready to stream. I'm ready to stream my programming stream. So let's get to it. Loki, I need to switch off showing OBS Studio when I'm in OBS Studio. You get, so let me try and do that first. Please don't leave. I really get no views, so it would be nice if you stick around. File settings. Show hide OBS from screen capture. Apply. That should be good. Okay. Yeah, now it shows nothing. Let's go. It should just be on the thing right now. I should be live if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I can see my stream right there. I'm sure you guys can see it as well. I swear this is not my freaking YouTube. What the hell? This ain't how my YouTube looks. Okay, can I just like reload? Okay, I guess my YouTube is weird now. Alright, so let me hit the timer. A good solid 45 minutes of just studying for my programming exam, because I have one tomorrow. So yeah man. So where were we? We were on a question, I believe. We were here. Write a program that prompts the user to enter. Oh shit. Should I really show what uni I go to? I guess it doesn't matter, bro. I don't think it matters, right? It really doesn't matter. I don't know what's wrong. Write a program that prompts the user to enter the radius of a circle, calculates and displays the circumference of the circle. Alright, so I wrote hashtag include IOStream using namespace standard int main. Why am I telling you guys? Alright, here is it. It is so like right there, if you guys can see. Okay, so circumference is pi r squared, right? But in terms of C++, it should be pi r times r, you get. So I've written it down. What I'll do is I'll test it in Programmiz to see if I get it right. You feel me? So yeah, gosh, first stream. Oh, I think I need a break. Alright, let's go. Move. Let's get it. So, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you guys can see. I believe you can all see. Alright, back to it. So int main, okay. Using namespace standard. I think I wrote that int main, yeah. So double will be r radius, right? Double will be r. Double circumference, so there will be another double known as circumference. Okay, there'll be another double known as circumference, which and another double which I will call a, that equals to 3.14, right? That makes sense for you guys who are fast. If you're kind of slow, then stop being dumb. Like, get serious with your life. Like, it's not fair when everyone else is trying to better themselves, right? OBS disconnected. What's going on? Is it back? Is it back? What is going on? God damn. Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah. So we basically have circumference there, which is 3.14. I'll just type everything, So C out, this should have its colon, sort of like a full stop. A colon is like a full stop in programming. So C out, input your radius. Input your radius. Okay. Input your radius. That should be it. That right there. Yeah. C in R. Okay. Circumference equals to circumference will equal to A, right, times, it's a asterisk for multiplication if you are not slow. Yeah, A times, what the fuck is that? A times R times R there. Alright, then a colon, and then C out, the output, what it should say would be circumference is equal to then you bring this here, it should be circumference and then end line, right? Don't put end line here over there because it will make it come down and just look stupid. You look slow. Alright, I believe that's it, and run it. Fuck's the problem? I don't think my Wi-Fi can sustain all of error. Okay, where? C in R. Gosh, maybe it's me being slow right now. There we go. Run that. I just have to do filler things, so that stream isn't dead. What the hell? Okay, what's going on? Why are there so many? Yo, okay, surely, man. What am I doing wrong? Bro. Oh my days, man. There we go. 3. Circumference is 28.26. Let's confirm that. If I was to do pi times, I think I've already made a mistake. Pi times 3 squared is 28.27. Okay, that's a problem. Maybe I can put 3.1416, then try to run it. 3. Yeah, it will bring me 4. Okay, how? 1, 2, 3. Because here it's 3. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yo, is there a chat? Like, is anyone talking? Nope, 0 viewers. Alright, I guess we just keep at it, right? Just try to keep at it. Okay, can guys like start like coming in? I know it's my first stream, but come on, 0 views, really, 0. I'm talking to myself, basically. Come on in. It's a nice community we're trying to build. Like, bro, I can't have 0 views, bro. Come on. You know. Huh? Alright, let's just get back to work. So yeah, that's pretty much one question down. Another one was on no, it was here. Write a program that prompts the user to enter his monthly gross salary. All right. The program should calculate and display the net salary of the user. Assume the tax is 30% of the gross salary. 30% of something is times 30 over 100, right? So write a program that prompts the user to enter his monthly gross salary. So he has a monthly gross salary, right? The program should calculate and display the net salary. So program will equal to gross salary times 30 over 100. You get me? Yeah, I'm smart. I'm not dumb. You know, I'm not stupid. Okay, so include IOStream. We've learned that IOStream basically brings in predefined for functions. Okay? So that you don't have to create your own, you know? So using namespace standard, of course I know namespace standard has its use. I kind of ignore its use because I can't really explain it, and all I know it does is that it sort of like removes the need to write standard so many times. STD. Ooh, pause. Yeah, that's what I've learned it does, but I don't really care for what it does. I really don't. So let's keep doing this question. Using namespace standard, I will then have integer main, int main, okay, int main, where int main will basically, we know what int main does, right? Int main, what does int main do? Int main basically, if I was to talk about int main in a sort of context that we can all understand, I would say that int main, and in simple terms, can also be referred to as something. All right, something. We all know what something is. You know, something is how would you describe something? You know, as we get to learn what int main means. All right, something can be best described as existing. You know, existing within space and time. All right, that is tangible. Okay, that's what something is, right? Now that something must be able to be existent. You get? I'm just trying to help us understand int main, okay? And in reference to int main, I would say it is something, right? That is something that is. For something to be something that is, right? we've already established it must exist. Yeah? Something to be that is must exist within that space and time. And that is, which is something, has its own definition within itself to be known as the description of something that is. Okay? So, int main is basically something that is known to be existent. That's what int main is. I forgot what it is. Yeah, that was all just a waffle. And shit. How many viewers do I have now? 0. Okay. Alright, guys. I see how we're playing this game. It's fine. It's fine. Yes, I won't be getting monetized soon. Anyways, int main. Int main. What is int main? I'm about to put you guys on with how to tie a tie. Int main basically, what in the world does int main do? Int main, okay, basically does something within the program. Actually, I don't think it matters what it does. What's wrong with my stream? Is the stream out again? What's going on? I think the stream ends here. Yeah. Sorry, guys.